Definition of error, sources of error, and type of errors. Error. Error is the difference between the true value or the standard value and observed value is called error. It is it is only the difference between the standard value and the observed value. For example, if a silver coin contains 10 gram of silver as a standard value and after analysis the analyst observed 9.95 gram of the silver in the coin. So 9.95 is the observed value and 10 gram is the standard value, and error is 10.0 minus 9.95 equals to 0.05 gram. Percentage error can be calculated by dividing the mean difference between the standard value and the observed value upon standard value into 100, and it is 0.5%. Sources of error like personal, instrumental, and natural. Personal, it can occur due to lack of perfection in analyst sense of sight, touch, hearing, etc. during activities. Also take also mistakes due to carelessness or fatigue of analyst are classed under this category. This type of error can be minimized with care and vigilance by part of the analyst. Instrumental error can cause due to imperfection of instrument and manufacturing and during adjustment and due to wear and tear by usage. Also included are mistakes due to failure or damage of the instrument. This type of error can be minimized with careful handling, maintenance and adjustment and calibration of instruments and by applying corrections. Natural error can occur due to effect of temperature, pressure, humidity, reflection, curvature, the magnetic variation, etc. This type of error can be minimized by applying correction and by carrying out the survey when their effect is minimal. These are some source of errors like data collection error, model selection error, data storage, retrieval, imputation, scaling error, bias, variance, and random errors. Type of error. The term error is used to show the difference between the observed value and the standard value when a measurement is made. It is not possible to completely eliminate the error, not even 1%, even when the person making the measurement is an expert working with apparatus of best quality. So different or repeated attempts are made to minimize the error in the experiment. Magnitude of error should be known to the analyst, which is the difference between the observed value and the true value. Since true values are never known, one has to make use of the most probable or true values. The standard value can be obtained by following methods like absolute method. In this method, the sample is synthesized by using known quantities of constituent and thus a primary standard is obtained. Hence the true values for the amount of different constituents are recorded. Now the sample is analyzed by some method. The observed value for the quantities of constituent are recorded. Knowing the true and the observed values, the error of method can be calculated. Next, comparative method. In some cases, as in the case of minerals or an ore, it is not possible to prepare the synthetic samples. In such a case, the analytical data provided by some standard agency is obtained. The value provided is that the data are standard values for the quantities of different constituent present in the sample. The difference in the observed and the standard value gives the error of the method used for the analysis. With the help of absolute and comparative method, one can find how much error is involved in his procedure of determination. Type of error, it is of two types: determinate or indeterminate, determinate or systematic error. Certain error whose causes, at least in principle, can be known. These are usually one-sided and by pre-planning and careful working can be avoided or kept at minimum. Type of determinate error. First, personal error. Due to improper working of the person carrying out a determination, personal error can be caused. Example, a person unable to judge the color of the indicator at end point in the titration process. Next, instrumental or reagent error. It can be caused due to defect in equipment or impure reagent. So, example, suppose a 10 ml pipette is used to take a sample solution for analysis, but the pipette take out only 9.5 ml due to construction defect. Thus, an error of 0.5 ml will be introduced, and this will always be on the negative side. Similarly, if reagent used are impure, the result of analysis will be wrong. These errors can be removed by using good quality apparatus and pure reagents. Next, error of method. Any error occur during the method comes under this category. For example, due to incomplete reactions, solubility of precipitate in gravimetric analysis, decomposition of the precipitate during ignition. Next, additive error. Sometimes the value of error is constant in a series determinations and is independent of amount of sample taken for analysis. These are termed as additive errors. Example, in a titration, 0.1 ml extra titrant has to be added to see the color change clearly at the endpoint. That is, endpoint is 0.1 ml. Therefore, if the standard value is 10 ml, the observed value is 10.1 ml. If the sample taken for the titration is double, the standard value will be 20 ml, but in the titration values comes out to be 20.1 ml. It should be noted that the error should remain the same, that is 0.1 ml. Next, proportional errors. In this type of error, the magnitude of error depends upon the sample size. For example, in the titration of 10 ml of 0.1 normal HCl, 10 ml standard value, this is standard value of 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution should be required, but the sodium hydroxide used is impure, so the observed value, that is value of the titrant, comes out to be 10.2 ml, and the error in the determination is 0.2 ml, because the difference between the observed value and the standard value is 0.2 ml. It means on doubling the sample, the error is also doubled, hence the error observed is proportional error. Next, indeterminate error. These are also known as random or accidental error. The cause of random error may or may not be known. Indeterminate error are not one-sided and they cannot be eliminated, even when the analysis is done with the great care by using high quality apparatus and reagent. Random error are caused due to causes over which the random error are due to causes over which the analyst has no control. When the same quality is measured several times, different observed values will not be similar, and this difference is called determinate error. Indeterminate error. Example, a ball of 10 gram is weight on an analytical balance, and we want to know its weight to the nearest of a gram, that is whether it is 8, 9, 10. Replicate. Result will be obtained. But if you want to know the weight of the ball up to the 4th place of decimal, the different weight reading will vary slightly from one another and also from the standard value of the weight of the ball. Thank you.